This is the video that will finally help you fix the destination host unreachable error in Windows. If your network connection fails or ping commands don't work, stay with me because this will make everything very simple. Are you also facing this problem where Windows shows destination host unreachable when trying to connect to a website, server, or another device on your network? This usually happens because of incorrect IP settings, disabled network adapters, or router and firewall issues. Many people get frustrated because they cannot access the internet, local network devices, or servers properly. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to edit registry files, reset Windows, or run long command line scripts that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those methods wasted my time. But I fixed it with one secret, easy trick that restores network connectivity and eliminates the destination host unreachable error instantly. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing this easy trick, just comment down below. I will guide you clearly so anyone can follow it without confusion or risk. And for more simple Windows networking fixes like this, stay connected with my channel Rexisht, because I always share easy solutions anyone can use to solve problems fast and safely.